In your mind, you have this out-of-the-box idea that you got while doing something. You are so excited to write about it on paper and you finally sit down to write. But you can't put your thoughts into words. Where have your words gone? Here's how to produce your content on paper. First, write down your ideas on paper whenever they cross your mind. This way, when you sit down to write, you'll have a choice of versatile topics to choose from. Second, choose the one. Go through each topic and choose according to your personal preference or the one you're most familiar with. Find the essence of your content. Revise your content to build on your key idea. Outline your post. Build on your idea. Write a rough draft. Connect the series and sequences in order. Join the dots among the different plots you want to add and write the matter in order but roughly. Revise your content. Read your rough draft while imagining the scenes and sequences and check if they are fitting right and according to what you thought. Check the flow of the story. And finally, edit it sentence by sentence. Finally, when the story flows according to your imagination and you're satisfied with the content, start editing each sentence properly. Pay attention to use correct grammar and sentence formation while editing. You can add quotes and one-liners to create engagement for the readers and listeners. Find your flow, quieten your inner critic, and discover the joy of writing. Brought to you by the Talkspiration Club at Lord's Easel.